First one is Ocean, the second one is Aiden. First one is 4, Aiden is 2. In fact, Aiden just turned 2 yesterday.
Ah,
Um,
2 boys, yeah?
2 boys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Open your hands.
I don't have any particular hobby right now because all my times are occupied raising them. Yeah, my favorite food, anything that
So that makes raising your children a hobby.
Okay, I love spicy food. Any spicy food that is tasty is okay
Louder,
for me.
louder a bit. Any spicy food that's tasty.
Any spicy food that is tasty is
Uh-huh,
my
good.
kind of food. And my favorite drinks would be Nescafe Ice.
Can you give me an example of the tasty spicy food?
Sambal udang petai would be one of them.
You also like sambal udang petai?
Minus the petai, but probably just the fragrance of it.
Oh, not the petai.
Not the petai.
Or just the smell of the
Yeah.
petai. Okay.
Char kway teow or nasi lemak. All the unhealthy ones.
Okay, well done.